So up we go as we ascend the 183 foot tall lift hill on Wildfire here at Kolmården. Fantastic views of the water over there. Really nice in the sunshine. A little bit of a backwards look. Here we are at 183 feet, making our way down now for a 160 foot drop. Let's go. Down the drop into the first inversion. An inverted 0G stall. Oh my God. Wow. Another drop into the tunnel. Airtime machine, airtime hill. Making our way round now to inversion number 2, a heartline roll. Yes. More airtime. Into our third and final inversion, another heartline roll. Look at that drop. Wow. Wildfire here at Kolmården. What a ride, what a beauty. Rocky Mountain Construction opened in 2016.
We'll be right back.